Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can download our Shopify theme locally and make changes on the theme, and after that how we can push those changes to our live store. So the first thing, you need to install npm install -g Shopify CLI. So let's copy this and go back to Visual Studio Code, and we need to create a folder where we will be working. So in my case, I will go to this folder and create a new folder, Wixob checkout, and then I will create another folder and I will say theme. Select that folder and then I will open the terminal. In the terminal, I will paste this command, npm install -g Shopify CLI @ Shopify theme. So I will press enter and it will start installing the Shopify CLI in my local machine. So okay, once the Shopify CLI installed, the next thing we are going to do the Shopify login. So you need to log in first to access your store. So you can just copy this command and go back to the terminal, type this and give the name of your store. In my case, I will write the store name of my store, and once I hit enter, it will ask me to log in your store. Yes, confirm. So I will simply log in Shopify auth login, and then it will ask me to log in as what account you want to log in. So I will select my email address and I will be logged into my Shopify account. So if you are not logged in, I was already logged in, so that's why I logged in. Otherwise it will open a new page and you can log into your store. The next thing you are going to do, you are downloading the theme locally. So you will copy this command, Shopify theme pull, and your store, and then your store name. So I will replace the name Wixo checkout. This is my store, and as soon as I hit the enter, it will start pulling my theme to the local machine. So now you can see I have different themes. One is live and other are unpublished, they are not live. So I'm going to pull the live theme. I will select the live horizon theme and hit enter, and now it start downloading the file from my store, and you can see over here these files are being downloaded over here. Once the files are loaded, now let me open the store as well. So this is my store, and I have the text, this is testing at the top. And now let's run this theme locally. To run this theme locally, I will simply say Shopify theme dev, and it will start the new development on my local machine. So now it has given me this new address. I can copy this and I will open in the browser, and you can see this is my local version and this is the live theme of my store. So let's make the changes in the and try to remove this is testing. So go to the theme, and I have written this code in the theme.liquid. So let me remove this heading from theme.liquid. So here is the heading H1 testing. I remove this and it will be automatically synced. You can see the theme is synced, and if you see on the local version you don't see that heading, but you are still seeing the heading at the live store. So how you can push your changes into the live store? So let's go back to the terminal again and open a new terminal, and this time we will say Shopify theme push. Now it will deploy the changes to our live store. So it is asking create a new theme. If you would like to create a new theme, you can say create a new theme, but we are going to merge these changes to the live theme. So I will select the live theme and it will ask the confirmation. Yes, confirm the changes, and after that it will push these changes to the live store, to the remote theme which we are using on our Shopify store. So once this is done, you can go back to your store. Let me see, it is still pushing the changes, so let's wait for a while. It says the horizon was pushed successfully. We can try that. So if I reload the page now, you can notice the changes are applied to the live theme. So let's make some other changes and let's try to add something. H1, this is a test, and now save the changes, and you can instantly see those changes on your local version. So this is a test. Let me find, this is okay. Let me go here and let's move that somewhere else. Let's move at the same place. H1, this is a test. Changes are applied on the local theme, and you can see the changes on the local development environment. But if you reload the page of the live theme, these changes are not applied. So again, you can go back here and you can push these changes, and once you push these changes, it will ask you which theme you would like to apply these changes. I will choose the same theme again, horizon, and as soon as I select these changes will be deployed on our live theme. So if I reload the page, and you can notice the changes are applied. So in this way you can work locally and you can finish your work. Once you are done with all the changes, then you can push them all at once together. You don't have to save them and upload them every time, but you can finish your changes and you can push them once all the changes are done. And this is how you can work locally by using Shopify CLI. I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.